Okay, next we've got the Tristar variable speed pump by Hayward, and this is rated up to 2.7 horsepower. It's an RPM based pump, but the rating comes out to about 2.7 horsepower. Now this does have digital controls built onto it, and I love that it has 4 different speeds and you can tweak the RPMs on each one of those speeds, so you've got complete control. It also has built-in timers, so that way you can set it to turn off and on when you want. Another great feature is this ties into Hayward's automation system called the OmniLogic. So the OmniLogic will let you control your pump, your heater, your lights. You can even get an automatic actuator valve to turn your deck jets on and off. So that system is great if you pair it with this pump. If you don't want all that control, you can always get the XL variable speed pump, which is basically the same pump, but it doesn't connect with the OmniLogic system. So there's different price points there, but this is a Hayward Tristar, and that's what we have on this particular pad.